So, ma'am, as you said, it is expensive. So, does insurance cover this robotic surgeries?
Once I'll actually take this into two ways. Number one, yes, today insurance, after a lot of effort that we have made, and I can tell you, I've personally made a lot of
Thank
effort
you.
because I started doing robotic surgery at a time when insurance company was to say, what robotic? We are not giving anything. For 4 or 5 years I did. Today, as part of my position as the president for the association, as well as the many active FICCI members, we are actually talking with, I've had 2-3 meetings with robotic surgery stakeholders, the company heads, and trying to explain to them why women need it.
Yes.
And we are getting robotic surgery being given by insurance company. It's far in between. It is difficult. We have to explain to them why we are doing, but we are reaching somewhere.
Okay.
But the other way of what I wanted to put on, when you asked this question before, whether it's expensive. Many times we look expense as one-time expense, right? So most of you or most of the audience will look at, today when I get out of hospital, what is my bill? Is it more than laparoscopy open? Whatever we are trying to see. But if you compare the long term, okay, for example, if you look at somebody who is, say, on a daily wage, right? If I work today, I earn, I don't pay. If you can come back to work within a week's time, or if you come back after 1 month, what loss did you make? Point one. If you needed no medication for your pain and you were good the next day, but you needed medication for 1 month, what difference did it make? You cannot measure the pain and the discomfort patient have. There's no measuring for that, right? Right?
Yeah.
So, but these are things patients can understand. Even if you were, say, as a woman not working, but you can be back home to your kids. Even if you say you did not get up and make the food that night, but by your presence sitting in the bed or in the sofa made all the difference, right?
Definitely, yeah.
Was it not worth it?
Definitely it is.
Right?
Yeah.
So I would suggest the audience or the people who are listening that keep your mind open. Don't just see a bill that is there. That also we have worked quite a lot. Insurance is covering. Every day we are trying to reduce the cost. Everything becomes less expensive. Today, just like I mentioned, a smartphone. Okay, if you buy iPhone, it's very expensive. But if you find something else, or I don't even know, Redmi or whatever, it is less expensive. It gives the same function. So we are going to have robots in the same all strategy. You choose what you want.